You've all seen Samsung's Galaxy Fold, but what if I told you Samsung has taken that folding concept one step further? What if I told you you won't just have a smartphone in your pocket anymore, but an entire 10-inch tablet? Today we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. This device isn't just foldable, it's revolutionary. I'll tell you everything about what new features it brings, where it beats the Z Fold 7 and where it falls short. So don't skip this for a single second, because one special feature on this phone will completely change your workstation idea. Let's start with the unboxing. This box is much larger than the Z Fold 7's, and the surprise is that both a charger and a case are included. When folded, it looks quite similar to the Fold 7, a 6.5-inch cover display offering a 120Hz refresh rate with 2600 nits of peak brightness. But looking from the side, you'll realize it is a bit thick, nearly 12.9mm, and heavy, 309 grams. This is because an additional folding layer has been added here. However, this thickness is acceptable because the engineering inside is superb. When unfolded, the device's slimmest point is just 9mm. It features a durable hinge with an Armor aluminum frame and titanium housing, along with an IP48 rating. Now for the real magic, unfold the phone not once but twice, and a 10-inch canvas display will open up right in front of you. This is no longer just a foldable phone, it's a true tablet. The experience of watching videos or working on this 10-inch display is much more comfortable than on the Fold. Its aspect ratio, close to perfect, ideal for content consumption. But there's drawback. Two creases now present, more visible under sunlight or angled view. Main display brightness? Lower, only still bright enough though, just not class leading anymore. Another point, no flex mode support. It's either completely closed or completely open. You can't fold it halfway to watch videos or make video calls, which was a favorite feature of the Fold series. Another thing to note, it requires a specific sequence to open. If you try to fold it incorrectly, the phone will vibrate to alert you. In terms of performance, it uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Although it's not the Gen 5, it is an extremely powerful chipset. Right from the base model, you get 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. Camera-wise, the TriFold features the same excellent camera setup as the Z Fold 7. 200MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, 10MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom. The biggest upgrade comes in the battery. To power that massive display, it has a 5600mAh battery, the largest ever in a Galaxy Z device. Fast charging has also improved, supporting 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. However, how long battery life lasts depends on how much time you spend using that 10-inch main display. This is its killer feature. The Z TriFold is the world's first smartphone with Samsung DeX built in. You can run desktop mode right on your screen, no external monitor needed. Create multiple desktops, run apps side by side in Windows, connect keyboard and mouse, turn your phone into a full portable workstation. You can even use this device as a secondary monitor. The multitasking experience is also incredible. Where the screen would shrink when running 3 apps on the Fold 7, the TriFold lets you multitask using 3 full-size smartphone-like portrait screens simultaneously. It displays apps like documents, YouTube, or files in a full tablet layout. There is also an option to save a multitasking trio. You can save the layout of your 3 favorite apps, so they open with a single click. This device does not have S Pen support, which might be disappointing for many. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold truly brings the dream of foldable devices to life. It's a phone that turns into a real tablet. In Korea, the price starts at about $2,400. It is expected to launch in the US for between $2,700 and $3,000. It's not for everyone, but if you want a device that is the perfect blend of portability and full tablet productivity, then the Z TriFold is probably the best option for you. Dear viewers, please like the video if you enjoyed it and consider subscribing to my channel. Encouragement in the form of likes and subscriptions motivates me to create more content that engages and entertains you. Thank you for watching.